So when you're trying to delete, there is one dependent entry which is getting deleted by the name valuation grouping code. This is going to be related to your accounts. This is going to be related to your accounts. So if you delete it at the moment, you will be not facing any error in enterprise structure. But when we try to record transactions, we get same error. So there we can fix up. Okay. So at the moment, I'm just trying to delete this particular dependent entry as well. And once you delete anything, make sure you try to click on save. Okay. So click on save. Done. Now, once you click on save, now take the help of new entries to maintain the link. So click on new entries. So maintain the company code SAIN, for which I'm trying to assign a plant SAP1 over here. Maintain it, click on enter. So in case if you have a second plant, so for same company code, you can go for assigning of a second plant as well, SAP2. Like this, you can go for assigning of multiple plants. You can go for assigning of multiple plants. Okay. So right now we have only one plant. I'm trying to do that particular assignment over here. So maintain it and try to save this one. IN SAP1. And see, I maintain this one. Make sure you try to click on save. Done. So data was saved and it has been assigned over here. Data was saved and it has been assigned. Okay, now all done. And here, if you look for this, the link between plant and the company code and the plant. Answer is going to be 1 to many. Answer is going to be 1 to many. We can go for assigning of multiple plants for one company code over here. Okay, so please remember this one and you can work it out. Okay. So, and this particular step in real time will be maintained by our team. They are going to be responsible for that. Assigning the link between plant and the company code. Now, once you're done with this, come back. Now these two steps, we can skip this one. We can ignore this one completely. And before we work with sales, let me try to finish off a remaining two and then we can get into sales. And now under material management, now we have altogether 4 steps over here. So out of these 4 steps, we try to work out with the first 2 steps only, where we need to assign purchase organization to our company code over here. We need to assign purchase org to the company code. And we need to assign purchase organization to what? To a plant. These are the 2 steps we do. Because purchase team is the one who take care of purchasing the stock. So whatever stock is required for the business, that stock will be purchased by our purchasing. So we need to assign it to what? To a company code over here. So if you click on this one, assign purchase org to the company code, click on it. So this up the screen will be looking, where first field is the purchase org and second field is the company code. Now, to do the assignment, you can see there is no new entries options available. So we need to basically take the help of position itself and try to select our purchase org. And we have created it on the name of SAPO. Oh. Maintain for purchase org triple SO. That's the one. So I'm trying to select that one, triple SO. Now try to assign it to our company code. And you can see, if you want to assign this one as well, you can do that. You can assign multiple purchase organization to one company code. You can assign multiple purchase organization for one company code. Okay, so maintain our data and make sure you try to save this one. So here, link between company code to purchase organization. Answer is going to be 1 to many. Answer is going to be 1 to many over here. Okay, so this is what we need to do in this first step. Now second step, we need to maintain the link between purchase organization to plant. That's going to be our second step. We need to maintain the link between purchase organization to a plant. Because once you purchase the stock, where you maintain it? In the plant. So we need to maintain that particular link. So if you click on this activity, assign purchase organization to the plant, that's going to be the screen. The first field is the purchase org, second field is the plant. Now how to maintain the link over here? If you see new interest, you can take the help of it. So click on this new interest, maintain our purchase org, and try to assign it to our plant. So this is going to be the purchase org, which will be doing all the purchasing activities which is required for the company. Okay. So that's going to be the purchase org, which will be doing all the purchasing which is required for the company. So if you want to assign multiple, you can also do that. See, for example, like same, I can assign it to one more. Awesome. Okay. So you can assign same purchase organization to multiple plants. You can assign same purchase organization for multiple plants. Okay. So if required, you can maintain this particular link. At the moment, we have only one plant. So there's the only purchase org which will be doing that activity. So I'm maintaining this one. Okay. So I'm maintaining this one over here. And try to save it as well. So that's going to be the step which we have done it, where we maintain the link between purchase organization and the plant. So once to purchase the stock, we need to know where exactly it need to be updated. Where it need to be updated. So if you look for the link, so the link between purchase org and plant over here. Answer is going to be many purchase organizations can be assigned to many plants. Answer is going to be many to many. Assign multiple purchase organizations to multiple plants. It's not that you can assign only one purchase org. You can assign multiple purchase organization to multiple plants. Okay. Now the next step where we need to work out, once you're done with this, logistic execution. Now when we talk about this logistic execution, it will be dealing with our shipment and transportation activities. So it will be dealing with our shipment and transportation activities over here. So we have checked out how to go for creating a shipping point. So shipping point is the one which take care of delivering the stock, receiving the stock, inbound delivery, outbound delivery, those things are going to be taken care by our shipping point over here. Now, how to maintain the link is what we are going to be interested in, to what we are going to be assigning it. So altogether, we have only 2 steps in this particular screen. And out of these 2 steps, we try to work out with only this particular step, where we need to assign it to what? To a plant. We need to assign shipping point to a plant. We don't assign shipping point to any other organizational unit. We just try to assign it to a plant, because plant is a place where our stock will be maintained. So from plant only, we try to do our dispatch as well. So we need to assign shipping point to a plant itself. And if you click on this one, assign shipping point to a plant. So this how the screen is going to be looking. So this how the screen is going to be looking over here. Okay. Now where you can see this is plant and there's a shipping point. That means for one plant, how many shipping points we can assign? We can go for assigning of multiple shipping points. We can go for assigning of multiple shipping points. It's not that we can assign only 1 or 2 shipping points. We can assign multiple shipping points for one plant, because some shipping points can be used for receiving the stock and some shipping points can be used for issuing of the stock. So we need to do that particular assignment over here. Now, how to do that particular assignment? Now, first thing, we need to basically select our plant in this particular screen. Now, to select our plant, you can take the help of this Control F icon. So what all plans has been created in this particular server, all that plans are going to be shown up. So we can go for selection of it. So if you click on this one, try to find our plant. So plant, we have created it on the name of SAP1. I've created our plant on the name of SAP1. Okay, so maintain this one, click on continue, and system will be navigating us to that particular place where our entry will be getting updated. Where our entry got updated up over here. Okay, now just try to keep our cursor on that particular location. And you can see by default for our plant, how many shipping points has been assigned. You can see there are multiple shipping points which has been assigned over here. Multiple shipping points has been assigned because we copied our plant from a reference. So what all shipping points has been maintained for our reference has been updated to our entry as well. Now what we do over here, you are not going to be deleting any of these particular shipping points. In case if you are trying to delete also, system will not give you the access for that, because we have some dependent interest activated, so we don't have the access for deleting any of the shipping points. So first thing what we do, so select our shipping point and select our plant and what all shipping points you want to assign it, we try to do that. Now how? You're going to be taking the help of assign option over here. So if you click on this assign, so what all shipping points? Okay, first I need to do my SD assignments, then only we come over here and work with this assignment. Without doing SD assignments, we cannot work out with this. Okay, so this one we try to take it up later, not now. Now, you want me to start working with this sales and distribution, or you want me to take up this one tomorrow class? A lot of things what we have discussed, so I just want your inputs for this.
As you wish, Mr. Jairam. It depends on you.
Okay, so I tried to take up this one because I have not provided the server access as well, so it's my mistake, so I need to do that. So tomorrow we can finish off the sales and distribution and the logistic execution. Only 2 more steps. So tomorrow our total enterprise structure is going to be done. And from Monday onwards, we can start working out with our transaction data, master data. So how to work out with the customer record and the material records. So we can look for that.